This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you're using the correct Google account. Language links to that profile. Once signed in, open the Google Play app or go to Play. Google.com. Make sure your device system languages and input is set to a preferred language because Play often follows device language. If you want Play to differ from device language, prepare to change the Google account language next. This step sets the foundation so subsequent changes apply immediately. Now change the language tied to your Google account to force Play to update. Go to My Account. Google.com and open Data and Personalization, then Language. Add a new language or edit to make your chosen language primary. This tells Google services, including Play, which localize strings to load. Once you've changed it, make sure the language order is correct. On Android, also add the language under System Languages and input apps that follow device settings. Finish by forcing a refresh. Close and reopen the Play Store, then check for the new language. You may need to wait a minute for Google Sync. If Play still shows the old language, go to Settings Apps Google Play Store Storage and clear cache and data, then reopen. As a last resort, remove the Google account from your device and add it back to force a full profile refresh. If problems persist, verify your Google account country and contact support. That can block some localized changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.